Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 18th, our word of the day is splenetic. S-P-L-E-N-E-T-I-C. Splenetic. Splenetic is a 9-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Splenetic means bad-tempered, spiteful. Anyone who's splenetic is very cranky and even a little mean. If you want to have fun at the bowling alley, don't invite your splenetic cousin to come along. He always ends up hurting someone's feelings. Similar words include ill-tempered, angry, wrathful, peevish, petulant, pettish, irritable, irascible, bristly, prickly, waspish. Examples of sentences using splenetic are: the splenetic tone of the complaint letter made James dread meeting its author in person. He launched into a splenetic rant about his colleagues. He is at his splenetic best when rubbishing Auden's poetry. Powell's father was a splenetic figure, given to outbursts of rage. Despite the politicians' splenetic arguments all week, Abe's plan passed by a vote of 214 to 93. The newspaper publisher's splenetic editorials often struck fear into local politicians. Make sure to save this new word, splenetic, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!